What's the meaning of cross street? Cross street. Cross street.
Cross street. Cross street. Cross street is a term used to describe a street that intersects with another street. It is often used for providing directions or locating a place. In urban areas, intersections of streets form a grid pattern, with cross streets running perpendicular to the main streets. The term can apply to both major and minor roads. Cross streets are significant for navigation and can help locate a specific address. They also provide access to various establishments like shops, restaurants, and other facilities located along them.